The Accardi brothers strikes again with another impressive brick oven pizza trailer, but this time around an 8x14. The attractive Pepsi blue really complements the stunning oven. Also, the lighting around the oven and underneath the trailer really gives that extra pop of pizzazz to make the trailer stand out in a crowd, especially at night. As you look on the inside, you have a section of the interior wall wrapped. There's plenty of shelving and table space, and there's also a pizza prep station. Compact, but equipped to produce yummy pizzas to hungry customers and roll in more dough. If the Accardi brothers can do it, so can you. What's stopping you from chasing your dreams? Let Concession Nation turn that dream into a reality. All you have to do is visit our website and check out our gallery and shop of the brick oven pizza trailers. When you're ready, pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks for watching.